Who's the best Labubu? Aw, you are! Even if I made you myself. Hey, what's going on over there? What is that? A new Labubu?
You think I'd buy just one? I'm not an animal.
2 Labubus?
It's no big deal, okay?
Hey, check it out! Look at that thing!
Wait, what about mine?
Huh? No way! Where'd it come from?
You're looking at her. Fabulosity unlocked. It's okay to be jealous.
I don't know what I'm feeling right now. Wow! And she's got 2? All I have is cardboard. I really hate today.
I am loving today. 1 square's all I need. Yep.
Bathroom selfie? Check. It wouldn't be Tuesday without one. It's just money, right?
Oh well. Oh! Someone used this already! Gross! Blah! I'll go wipe-free today. Hey, how am I supposed to flush? Just my luck. Stupid broken toilet! Whoa, what's going on in there? This can't be good. It's gonna blow! Ah! Run!
What was that? I'd better go see.
What the? That didn't sound good.
Help! Ooh, that hurt.
How embarrassing.
Seriously.
Wait, stop laughing. You think you're so cool? Answer me!
Just stop talking, okay?
Care to explain? And tell me what I'm covered in?
Don't look at me.
Who are you pointing at?
I don't get paid enough for this. Now go! What?
Come on, just go.
So much for my nice suit. Keep it moving! And no smiles, you hear? You kids are in big trouble. You too, princess. Understand?
Like I have time for this.
Put that away! Mindy!
Okay.
Busted!
So busted. I mean, ew.
Huh? Oh, right. All right, now get to work. All 3 of you. Pens out. I should have a pen in here somewhere. Wait! All my stuff!
You mean junk?
Gross, dude.
Oh no! I just can't catch a break. Wait, what am I sitting on? Maybe I can use those. They look like giant Lego pieces. My luck is changing. Good thing I was a Lego pro as a kid. Building is my jam. Goes pretty well with resourcefulness. And I'm both. Just a couple more blocks here. Yes! It's happening! All smiles over here. And we have a desk, ladies and gents. Built with my own 2 hands. Are you impressed?
Huh? Actually, yes.
Very interesting.
I know, right? I even have leftover materials. Yeah, baby. I'm cruising now.
Wait, I have an idea. And it's way better than a Lego desk. Yes, that's it. Isn't it luxurious? Come on, check this out. It's perfect. Prepare to be amazed. From drab to fab, people. So easy to apply, too. Can't forget the legs. Top to bottom luxury. Can you say fierce? Well, look. Let there be light. Yay!
Wow, that's sick!
Oh, goodness.
Who's feeling jealous now? I'd be too. It's okay.
Ugh, please. You don't even know from Fabulous. Hello? I need gold. Much better. Ooh, that'll work. I want them all, okay? Every inch must be covered in gold. Keep going. More. Oh, missed a spot. Other side. Royalty over here. Bow down to the DIY queen. Brilliant. I mean, just look at it. Is there really a comparison?
Sure, it looks nice.
I've never seen that much gold in one place.
You're welcome.
Okay, kids, you want a real project? Have at it. May the best student win. Are you ready? Here you go.
Gross.
And for you.
Look at that disaster.
All yours. Wow, howdy.
I don't play with trash.
Trash? Yeah, me neither.
Really?
I've got my own doll to play with. And there's no dirt in sight. See? Is this good enough for you?
Are those diamonds? They're awfully bright. Whoa, so crazy.
Yeah, it's their time to shine.
Can you stop? I mean, really?
It's not for everyone.
Definitely not for me. Now this is what I call bling. And she's not all looks. This thing goes to work. What do you think?
Holy smokes.
That's right. Hi there.
It talks? Wow.
That's not all. How do you like that?
That's incredible.
Get a load of this. She can do it all, baby. And it's all up to me. Look at her go. Okay, you can stop now. Wait.
Wow. Actually,
Just hold on a sec. Sorry for this. Phew, that was intense. Just forget it.
whatever indeed. Well, I've got some work to do. I'm no stranger to cleaning up dirt. Let the transformation begin. Ooh, that skin needs some love. Moment of truth. Yes, it worked. But what about those clothes? Should I... Wait, trash cans always have the answer. Nope. And bingo. You know what they say? One man's trash is another man's treasure. Which is why I always keep a stapler handy. Who needs a needle and thread? There! Operation New Wardrobe complete! I sure hope they fit you. And it looks like they do, like a glove. Look!
Very nice.
Wow, looking good.
It's brilliant! You see that? You're making me blush.
Wait, where'd my doll go?
A little help here, please?
My bad. Just give me a sec.
Personal space!
Oh, man.
Well, detention just got hilarious.
No kidding! Haha!
I guess it's pretty funny. Shall we? I guess we're off the hook then.
Yep, let's get out of here.